How to use ChatGPT in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can use ChatGPT in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser, and after you do that, simply search for ChatGPT. After you do that, you'll find the website for ChatGPT. All you have to do is head over here. You can directly head over to chatgpt.com as well. After you're there, you can then simply start using your ChatGPT. So you can ask it stuff like, what's the capital? And it should start giving you answers. So there you can see there is going to be a difference between an account of ChatGPT and a normal ChatGPT used from a guest account. The thing is, whatever you ask will not get saved if you don't have an account. So if you want to keep on saving your chat with ChatGPT, you will need to create an account. So you can create it really simply. Tap on sign up for free right here. And after you do that, you can continue with Google. Tap on this. Then you can log in using your Google account. I'll just select my Google account right here and create an account with that. Tap on continue. You can choose any other method that you're more comfortable with and tap on continue. After you do that, you can then start setting up your account. I'll just tap on skip for now and tap on continue. After you do that, now whatever you ask ChatGPT, it will get saved. So let's continue with our question. So you can just ask it a random question and it should start giving you the answer for it. And here you can see the chats will get saved. Now, if you want to start a new chat completely, you can tap on the new chat option right here, or you can simply press Control Shift and O. After you do that, a new chat should open up. And whatever you ask here, you can ask a completely different stuff. Who's the best? After you just ask it something, it will get saved right here. Now you can search for chats from right here after you have a lot of different chats. You can also view your library of your images that you've created, and you can also create projects. And yeah, you can now explore ChatGPT. This is the basic of it. That's how you use ChatGPT on your Windows. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.